How to pair RP2f and RP4f Bluetooth printer. There are two simple methods you can use: manual pairing for all devices and tap to pair using NFC for Android users. Let's start with manual pairing, which works on any device. First, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer and scan for available devices. Once you see your RP2f or RP4f printer in the list, tap to initiate pairing. At this point, check your printer. The Bluetooth icon will start blinking for about 30 seconds. This means the pairing request has been received. Now, press the feed button on the printer once to confirm the pairing. When the pairing is successful, the Bluetooth icon will stop blinking. If you want to cancel pairing immediately, just press the power button. If you're using an Android device with NFC, pairing can be even faster. Simply place your Android phone near the NFC tag on the RP2f or RP4f printer. Your phone will automatically detect the printer and prompt you to pair. Tap to confirm the pairing on your phone. Just like before, the Bluetooth icon on the printer will start blinking for 30 seconds. Press the feed button once to complete the pairing. Once paired, the Bluetooth icon will stop blinking. If you want to cancel pairing immediately, just press the power button. Here's an important tip. The printer will beep once when it receives the pairing request. If you don't press the feed button within 30 seconds, the pairing will automatically cancel. Thank you for watching.